Money transfer apps let you transfer cash from person to person, or from entity to entity, quickly, conveniently, cheaply, and securely. They simplify payments and also allow you to use a digital wallet to link your credit card or bank account. You can make electronic transactions and payments with just a few taps on a mobile device. With several money transfer apps that are now outside like PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and many others are very useful in quick online transactions. Robinhood is an American financial services company headquartered in Menlo Park, California, that facilitates commission-free trades of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies via a mobile app. Have you ever thought how to withdraw money from Robinhood? Well, to withdraw money from Robinhood, the steps are quite easy to follow and you will notice it while you follow the procedure. We will be back after the short intro. To transfer money from your Android app to your bank account. 1. In the bottom right corner of the app, tap the account symbol. 2. Select Transfer to your bank. 3. Select the bank account you want to send money to. 4. Enter the sum you want to send to your bank and hit the Submit button. But you have to note that to withdraw money while using a phone, you have to download the Robinhood app on Play Store for Android devices and on iOS for iPhones. Also know that this procedure is same if you are using an iPhone instead. There are several other methods you can use to withdraw cash from Robinhood and we explained it in our written article. You can check out the link below and learn other methods. And so, this is the end of this tutorial video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell to receive frequent updates from all uploaded videos in this channel.